the class? I think it's with
See what Kiddwaya did to Laycon in Erica's presence that got fans talking. 2020 Big Brother NAIJA is being touted as the edition with the most intriguing love and romantic drama, as the love triangle Kiddwaya, Erica and Laycon keeps giving viewers something to talk about each and every moment. You would expect Kiddwaya and Laycon to be rivals, or better yet, behave cold to each other, but that is not the case, as they have rather generated something they share, which is evidence that they hold each other in high esteem. You would recall that they promised each other not to let their friendship end after the reality show, and in a moment which was witnessed by fans, Kiddwaya was seen tossing Laycon up in the air in the full glare of Erica after they hugged each other. Nigerians could not keep mute over this, and they took to Twitter to express their thoughts on what happened between the love triangle players. Yeah, here are some reactions. As someone said, I don't understand why Laycon is this cool with Kid and asks Erica for space. Another user said, he doesn't need to be aggressive or act childish because of whatever. Guys are simpletons. Expect them to turn up even more outside the house. And lastly, someone else said, if Kiddwaya and Laycon are your best friends, you will prosper in everything with them. The real pure heart, no bad blood. Kiddwaya reject hatred by referral link. Wow. So guys, I'm glad Laycon and Kiddwaya are friends, sha. I know outside the house they will be very close, but Laycon no get weight, sha. Guys, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your comments in the section below. And please, if it's your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.